Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin, Fil, and BEZOS, XTZ, set historic record in their pre-sales. Firepin, FRPN, pre-sale rise 10% overnight. It is possible to buy new crypto at a far lower price by participating in pre-sales to make the best gains. We can see this when we look back at Filecoin, Fil, and BEZOS, XTZ, historic pre-sale figures. Newcomer Firepin, FRPN, aspire to be on these levels and hit huge figures in their pre-sale, which has just started. Due to great demand, cryptocurrency pre-sales shutter sell out within minutes of their start. You'll want to keep an eye on the clock when the pre-sale begins again. One pre-sale you don't have to look too far for is Firepin, FRPN. Their pre-sale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Firepin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for developing a Kraken account prior to March 9, will be eligible to receive United States dollars 1,000 worth of Bitcoin starting March 10, and running till the end of the month, the exchange said in a statement on Wednesday. We hope to continue being able to provide critical financial services in a time of need to both our clients in Ukraine and in Russia. Jesse Powell, CEO of Kraken, was quoted as saying, "Cryptocurrency remains an important humanitarian tool, especially at a time when many around the world can no longer rely on traditional banks and custodians." Powell said the exchange added that received funds can be immediately withdrawn, and that it will cover fees of up to United States dollars 1,000. Filecoin nodes can also disseminate various types of messages to the rest of the network. The client, for instance, can publish a message to send Fil from one address to another. Nodes can offer Filecoin miners storage and retrieval services, and miners can charge for them as they are completed. Miners contribute to the network by completing various types of transactions and adding new blocks to the chain, for which they receive Fil rewards. Retrieval and storage deals happen on the Filecoin network. Clients and storage miners make arrangements to store data in the network through storage deals. Once a deal is made, and the miner receives the data to store, it must repeatedly show to the chain that it is still storing the data in accordance with the agreement in order to get rewards. Otherwise, the miner would be sliced, and Fil will be lost. Clients and retrieval miners make agreements to retrieve data that is stored on the network in a fast and reliable manner. Storage miners must demonstrate that they are storing data in accordance with the conditions of the contract. That implies they must save all of the information provided by the client and keep it for the entire duration of the transaction deal. Miners show that they have acquired all of the data and have encrypted it in a way that is unique to that miner, using their physical storage in a way that no other miner can replicate using proof of replication, PORP. A dynamic base fee determines the number of fees burned in the Filecoin network, which is constantly changed based on network congestion parameters. One of the block explorers reviewing the current head can provide the current value. A number of gas-related factors are also connected to each message, and these parameters impact the number of rewards that miners receive. Actors are a state management software design paradigm. They are Filecoin's version of the Ethereum virtual machine smart contracts and play a crucial role in the system. Any modification to the Filecoin blockchain's current state must be initiated by an actor. Unique features of Filecoin, Fil. Users of Filecoin pay the network to have their data stored on storage miners. There are computers that store files and demonstrate that they have been stored correctly over time. Anybody can join Filecoin if they want to keep. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Fil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices.